So this is the exterior, the front end here of the Platinum. This again is the 2024 all-wheel drive Platinum Sienna. Now this color is the windshield pearl color. They used to call it blizzard pearl, but you know, all good things come to an end, and Toyota has to keep things fresh a little bit by changing the names. But I think this is the best looking minivan out on the market today. I really do. Toyota spends a lot of money on research and development, not only to keep improving what they have already out and keep everything fresh and updated, but also to make sure that they're the industry leader when it comes to personal mobility. And they do not want to lose their top positions when it comes to vehicles that people know and trust. One really neat thing with the Toyota when you get up to the Platinum is you do get the perimeter view cameras. So you get the 360-degree view camera that will show right up on the touchscreen stereo. Of course, you get the front and rear parking sensors, or what now they call parking assist. Of course, the LED fog lights, LED running lights, LED headlights. You do get the Toyota Safety Sense. That is your millimeter radar there. It's coupled up with dynamic radar cruise control. And of course, it does have pedestrian detection. These are 18-inch wheels. The brake discs on the front are 12.9-inch brake discs, 12.5 on the rear. The all-wheel drive system in this is always phenomenal. Look, I've owned a couple vans myself, being a father of a couple kids. I got to tell you, especially up here where we get any kind of snow. We're in the Northwest here. We get pretty inclement weather with the rain and the snow and everything. And it doesn't snow all that much down in the valley, but if you do want to go and enjoy the winter sports, skiing, snowboarding, sledding, inner tubing, that kind of stuff, you almost need an all-wheel drive for the mountain range. So the interior color of this is called the Nobel Brown. It's actually the Nobel Brown Leather. Nice thing with this is it is perforated seats. So you get not only heated but ventilated seats. One great thing with Toyota and their hybrid system is, these hybrid vehicles, a lot of people are still worried about the hybrid batteries in the Toyota hybrid product. Something you got to keep in mind, as Toyota has never scrapped their hybrid system, not even once. They started developing the first Toyota hybrid back in the mid-80s, late 80s, and it actually didn't even come out to market until the year 1999 as the model year 2000. They just kept improving on that hybrid technology year after year after year. And Toyota's hybrid system is tried and true. So coming around to the driver rear door here. Now I just love these vans and the way that you can open these doors, especially on the Sienna. Not only could you use the smart key right here on the handle, you can also use the buttons inside the cab up here. That's up above your rear view mirror there. You can also use the keys, but then you got buttons here on the side of the door, the pillars here that you can push and engage as well. Now on the limited leather, this is a genuine leather seating. It's not a Softex material. The insert is genuine leather. This might be Softex on the side of the bolster, but pretty remarkable. And these seats work on a track system, so you can move them forward, you can move them back. You just grab this handle here and it slides it and creates all that room through a walkthrough for the third row seat. But really, all you got to do is lift this up just like that. The two pieces fold up together like a V. Previous body styles of these Toyota Siennas, they had a tumble system on the second row seating, where the back of the seat folded up towards the seat cushion, and then the whole thing tumbled forward Toyota was able to design or engineer this to where folded up like the V here and slid all the way up front, you wouldn't need a tumble seat system. The third row seat folds flat into the floor. It's pretty remarkable. Of course, you do get the reading lamps up top, not only the rear dome light for the back. As you can see, there is sunshades on the rear. You'll also get them on the side of the doors too, on the second row. But then you also get all your climate controls up there, microphone, dual USB ports, cup holders. This is the rear cargo bin for the Toyota Sienna. Now this one actually has an accessory that you can get, and it is your cargo. These little cargo bin containers, they do pull out, as you can see there. Now these seats are so light that one hand will do just about everything you need it to do. So if you needed to fold it down into the floorboard there, really simple. To release it and get it back up, all you do is just grab this handle, literally just kind of just drop it. It's all spring hinged or loaded there, and then just pull the nylon strap and then stop it wherever you think you want it to be. As far as reclining it, these seats do recline down. That's a pretty far recline for a third row seat there. And again, if you just want to lay it all down in flat, you just could do that like that. And then to raise it back up, you just grab the nylon strap again, stop it to where you want it to stop, and you're good to go. Shut the door. You could either use the key, you can use the button inside the dash, or you could just hit that little button right there. Now I'm over here on the passenger side in the second row of the Sienna Platinum all-wheel drive. Now, one thing Toyota started doing with the second row seating here, especially with these ottomans, and what I mean by ottomans is the second row seating has the foot ottoman there. So it actually turns into a recliner, and it's not recommended to use the foot ottoman while the vehicle is in use, but if you are stopping at a rest stop or you're up at the ski slopes and you guys are grabbing lunch here, you can just recline that back, kick your footstool up. This actually will move. And, you can, as you can see, you can adjust that out for if you want to have longer legs. And these seats will go up. You can move them up forward. Then that way a tall 6.5, 7-foot man could actually use the ottoman in the back. But hey, pretty neat. You're able to get this on the all-wheel drive. When I first started, it was only a front-wheel drive option. The ergonomics that Toyota's been doing has been really remarkable and really refreshing inside these vans. It is more of a cockpit setup and feel versus a big wide open space here. The shift knob used to be on the dash. They've actually moved that to a center console. You've got massive cargo room underneath the center console there to hold bags or whatever. But you get cup holders there, cup holders here. You got massive, big box down below to haul all of your goodies. There are 18 cup holders in the Sienna minivan. If you could believe it or not, that's a pretty remarkable number. The last thing Toyota wants to have happen is to have people in the Sienna minivan go thirsty. So there's water bottle holders in the side of the door. We're back up at the driver door panel. This is a memory seating here. You do have a power folding power mirrors. All your windows, including the side windows, roll down. Of course, a multi-way power adjustable driver seat. Perforated leather, so that means heated and ventilated seating. You get the heated steering wheel, automatic high beam feature. That is your perimeter view camera button there. You also get a 10-inch heads-up display unit, which is pretty awesome. Nice big touchscreen. Of course, your digital rear view mirror. All your controls for your doors, your sunroof, your rear power hatch. just all around a nice van.